Okay, so a lot of people have asked me about Jellyfin, LiveTV, DVR, guide data, specifically in the Shield TV um, areas. So I'm going to launch Jellyfin here on my Shield, and we'll go down and check out LiveTV. This shows you across here what's on, and let's go to the guide. This is the guide data. Tune to a channel.
And first dismissed any wrongdoing.
And so I have no comment except the president should start to
Pause. LiveTV.
be president.
But he later fired back, writing in a statement, such clear-cut corruption damages and diminishes our government by making them tools of a personal political vendetta.
House Speaker Nancy Pelosi says this whistleblower's complaint raises urgent national security concerns.
Pop into another channel.
Eastbound lanes will close for that same project next weekend. New data this morning shows the state's unemployment rate held steady in August. The Pennsylvania Department.
And back to the guide. You can pop it up. You can record this instance or the whole series. So record just that one. Let's go back and see some things that are already recorded. Play them back.
woodcrestvilla.org. You're watching WITF TV, Harrisburg.
Fast forward.
Like hockey pucks, they were dry and beany and flavorless. But the best of them had nice brown, crisp exteriors.
Back to get into the guide. And you can go forward several days. And load some more data. Future program. Record the whole series. And the DVR set up for that. Okay, so how do you set this up? First thing you need is you need Perl. I use Active State. So here's the link. Pop out to their site. I always grab the latest. So grab 528. Download. Install that. Next thing you want to do is grab the zap2 XML Perl file. This is going to control downloading your guide data. Here's the site, link below. Now I originally used Zap2it, but then I changed to TVGuide because Zap2it made a change. There's all the options. Here's where you download the file. Grab that. I haven't tried this full install, but I just install Perl and use the script. Stick that in a convenient location. Next thing you want to do, go to TVGuide. Go up there, sign up for an account. Create a username and password. You don't want to connect with an existing account. You want to create a username and password. You're going to need those. So, then once you have the username and password, here's what you want to do. This is the command line. I wrap it all into a batch file. So you got Perl, the path to the script. The Z is use TVGuide. Then you want the username and password. Those are the ones you created for TVGuide. The path to the out file that you want, and cache location. So here you can see running the command line to test it, just to make sure everything is good. all set. So let's pop into Jellyfin, go into the admin panel, down to LiveTV, configure your HD home run or whatever your input is. You want to select XML TV for the guide data provider. You want to point it to the path to where you outputted your XML file from the Perl script. You can refresh the guide data. That'll suck it all in and populate your guide. All set. Go to DVR. I pick 14 days. I want all the guide data that I can get. Path to your output for your recordings. You'll see emby in this stuff. I originally had this set up with emby and then I ditched it and went to Jellyfin. Last thing you want to do is set this up as a scheduled task. So fire up Windows Task Scheduler, run whether you're logged in or not. I have mine set up to run at 2 o'clock in the morning every morning, and then point this to the bat file that you created with your Perl command line, which is here. That's it. That's all you got to do. Then you're set. Enjoy.